So back to my channel again. Here we are. We're gonna cook adobo. So this is my own way for my adobo. Mantika. Yeah. And then we just wait this one to be a little bit red. Yeah. And then of course, nilaga ko ang aking manok. Nilaga ko ang manok ko kasi frozen siya. So kaya inano ko siya. Yeah. Tapos, syempre, ito, may patatas tayo. Yan. At syempre, mag-ano tayo ng ating toyo. Yung toyo natin, okay? Tapos, lalagyan natin ng pepper. Yan. Yan, syempre, maglalagay tayo ng pepper. Yan po siya, okay? So, yan. Ilalagay na po natin ang ating gulay. Yan. Ilagay na po natin ang ating mga gulay. Yan. Yes, we put our vegetable. Of course, it's up to you what you wanna put here, but normally you can make your own adobo. And because I cook my adobo, my chicken already, so that's the reason why it's a little bit cooked. Yeah. First, put our soy sauce. Yung soy sauce natin. Ayan. I think we can finish that already. It's not too much anyways. So that one. And of course, our paminta. So, and then syempre ang ating vinegar. Yes. Lagyan natin siya ng ating vinegar. So, that's our vinegar. At syempre, i-mix na natin siya. At pabayaan natin siya ng mga 30 minutes or 20 minutes. It's up to you. You need to taste the meat and basta lahat-lahat is magiging everything. Yeah. And of course, you need to cover. Oh, my rice is also cooked already. So I need to take out my rice as well. Some people actually don't know how to cook the rice. So, but all the Filipino in Filipina, they know how to cook the rice. But if you are European, sometimes you don't know how to cook the rice. You taste it, and then we put so slowly. And some people, they put actually Sprite here, you know, Sprite. Yeah. So here you are. So we leave it that one. So we close it. We leave it. Yeah. So there you are. Our chicken adobo. Yeah, that one. So, and of course, our rice. Okay? Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching on my cooking time. Now is dinner again. The time in Sweden is this time. That is in the evening. This is my time in Sweden. So actually, I cooked my dinner late because I was walking around in the city. You know, so if you want to be sexy, don't eat late. So that's the secret. So don't eat late, okay? So you need to eat before 6 o'clock normally. But because I've been walking around in the city and I've been doing video to show you the Maya Toyat, and also my friend Ate Grace, she was sending my packet my package already from her place in Frankfurt. So I want to say thank you, Ate Grace, and that's the reason why I was late my cooking. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and like, and share, and say something if you like, or you ask me some question. So thank you. I hope you like it. Love you guys. Bye.